Welcome back to another quick guide. Today I'll teach you how to insert a clip between two clips in CapCut. To insert a clip between two clips in CapCut, follow these general steps. First things first is to open the CapCut app. Then either create a new project or load an existing one with the clips you want to work with. So tap on it. In the timeline, move the playhead, the white vertical line, to the spot where you want to insert the new clip, typically between two existing clips. Tap on the Add button on the timeline. It may also appear as a plus icon. Choose the clip you want to insert from your gallery, then tap Add. It will be placed exactly where the playhead is positioned. If the clip isn't placed exactly where you want it, you can drag it along the timeline to position it perfectly between the two clips. Now, play the sequence to ensure the clip flows smoothly between the others. Once satisfied, tap Export in the top right corner to save your video. And you're done. Your new clip will now be placed between the two original clips. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.